Hey everyone, welcome to WealthScienceX. I'm Tony.
I'm Jamal.
We hope you guys liked last week's video. Just want to let you know, it's been a crazy week. We called out actually a market crash or a market correction in last week's video that happened this week. We're here to tell you about what we did this week and what our plans moving forward are going to be for our trading.
For the technical analysis video, I'm going to go over the GameStop position that I opened on Wednesday, and that blew up. I made over $8,000 on that one trade in 24 hours. And we're going to go over the QQQ position that I opened on Friday, and I'll walk you through why I opened this position and how I called it out on the Discord. So Tony, a lot of interesting stuff for this week. So make sure you stay tuned for the video. So for GameStop, we're going to go over the technical chart to what happened on Wednesday. So as you can see, if we go back to the long-term chart of GameStop, since the initial meme rocket ship took place back in January, we had these two levels, Tony, that I was watching. The first one was the $49, almost $50 support level. And then we were kind of resisting at 54.27 for the past couple of days. And during that day, we fell past support, but then something happened after 2:30, and to be honest with you, no one knows why or what the reason was. And I was watching GameStop that day, and I decided once it broke the resistance at 54, I entered into two calls for next week's expiry, and as you can see in this picture, I bought two calls on GME for March 5th expiration. One's the $61 strike, one's the $100 strike. I bought the 61 for $1,205, and then the next one was for $925, so almost like $2,100 in the position.
Nice call, Jamal.
Thanks,
yeah,
Tony.
Solid choice, yeah.
Yeah. And Tony, like, the moment GameStop blew up, once it reached past 60, I was up 3,600 in like 10 minutes. So, like, the GameStop rocket, once it launches pretty exponential, and you can see throughout the whole day, even at the aftermarket, we reached a high of $200, Tony. Like, that's more than 200% return in 24 hours. My calls at the peak of 200 were close to 32,000 in value, but I can't sell any of my options because it's in after hours trading. And then when we opened back up on Thursday, we had a nasty sell-off in the morning, and GameStop did find some support and did find some buying in the afternoon, but it did end the day lower. And then on Friday, like, the suits killed it. So I think GameStop is dead as of now, and I'll be looking at GameStop for any other further opportunities.
Jamal, what do you think like the next like GameStop type of scenario stock is there? Because for me, I was thinking like I picked up Carnival. Because in my opinion, like, I think like the Reddit army has that, maybe in their scope at some point, right? And actually, Carnival did pop off in the last week, so there's that. But what do you think, Jamal? What's your opinion?
Yeah, Carnival is a stock I traded back when it was in the 20s. Carnival is one of those stocks where you can get a lot of nice returns, especially if you day trade them. But nothing compares to GameStop or AMC, where they can give you 100% return in one day. And I think GameStop might still happen one more time. And if you notice the pattern, when it's happening, it's going to be at the end of each month. So the end of January was when it exploded, and now the end of Feb. So I'll be watching it for the end of March for another potential run. And I'll look to take opportunities, trading and swinging this GameStop for once it happens again. But to give you an overview of how my position went, Tony, So I did buy the first 2 contracts for, 1200, and then the next one was for 925. So
Nice.
for a total of $2,100, $30 as an initial investment.
Nice.
But, yeah. So when I sold those contracts the next day, Tony, you can see the first one was $6,720 of total net liquidity, and then if you add the second contract of $3,695, and we subtract my initial investment of $2,130, you get a total profit of $8,285 in less than 12 hours.
Nice, bro. That's solid profit.
Yeah, so it was a good trade, Tony. Like, as a trader, you want to take advantage of any opportunities that come your way, and this was just another day in the office. And I was talking to the members on the Discord. I pointed out, GameStop was moving. GameStop is back on the menu. It's a stock where I would not want to call out to the members as a trade, because I know this is very risky for some people, but this is a stock where each trader should make their own decision whether or not they want to risk that capital. Because I was fully comfortable in losing that $2,000 initial investment, Tony. But I knew that the potential for some gains was nice. And I want to talk about the QQQ position that I opened this Friday. I'm in 2 QQQ puts for March 19th. I called these out on the Discord. I told the group I was going into some QQQ swing positions for puts, and right now, my initial investment was also close to $2,000, and I'm up 21% so far on the trade. And the technical analysis on the QQQ.
And guys, if you don't know what QQQ is, it's an ETF that covers the top 100 NASDAQ companies. And an ETF, if you don't know what that is an exchange traded fund, and really is exactly what it means. It's an exchange traded fund. And if you want to learn about ETFs, we have a video link posted in the description.
Yep. So looking at the QQQ, this was kind of the downtrend that we've been in, Tony, for the past couple of trading days, and as you can see, we're still trading under this resistance line, and that's when I went in.
Nice TA, Jamal.
Yeah, thanks, Tony. This is when I went into my position at $319. Once QQQ went into that level, I opened up a put position. We were making lower lows and lower highs. So as a technical trader, I'm expecting the QQQ to retest this level, Tony, 308, and either we hold and we form a double bottom, and then I can start swinging long positions. But for right now, my technical analysis is holding up with the lower lows and lower highs.
So one thing that I did this week in the market, I did purchase some more ETFs and some more individual stocks. The prices were just too low. One thing that I also advocate is I'm a big fan of dollar cost averaging, and that's exactly what I do. Hey guys, we hope you liked the video. Remember to smash the like button, comment and subscribe. Give us some feedback. Let us know what you want to see.
For everyone watching, thank you for doing so. And if you want to learn more about the trades we take and kind of the positions that we're looking to get into for next week, make sure you join the Discord. It's going to be in the link below. Our traders are going to be calling out a lot of plays, especially if we can get some momentum back on the long side for the market. And also, we want to hedge our positions with some QQQ puts in case, the market keeps going down. And that's all positions, Tony, that, our group members are all taking part of. And it's just a nice community for discussion and talking and calling out plays, to help each other out.
Yeah, guys, and if you guys want a free ebook on cryptocurrency and how to buy your first crypto, we do offer a free ebook, A Journey into the World of Cryptocurrency, by the WSX Team. There's a free ebook when you join the Discord. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next week.
See you guys.